T seconds. Ryan here for Silly Reviews. Going to give you a quick fix on how to get rid of spoiled food. I've got some beans that have been sitting in my malfunctioning refrigerator for 3 months. Going to go ahead and give you guys a close-up on it. We're going to go ahead and pop the top, boop bop. Going to show you what happens when you leave food to spoil in your refrigerator for about 3 months in a refrigerator that gets hot and cold all day long. It looks gross. It's still moving around in there though. Let's get a closer inspection on there. Oh my God. And it smells so bad. So all you do is, just like you put your poop in the toilet, you're going to put your spoiled food in the toilet. There it is. Another fix in 6 T seconds.
Idiot.